Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Sharky Clee from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the mouth. Let's start with a curve across. Then from the ends, let's curve it down towards the center. Next, let's add the teeth inside. Let's draw the top row with pointed V shapes. And now let's add the bottom row in the same way, but this time let's space out the teeth. And now let's color the inside of the mouth in black. Next, under the mouth, let's draw another curve. And then let's add 2 nostrils above. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's move up and draw the eyes. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a loop around and bring it back in. And the same thing on the right. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a curve towards the inside. And then let's color both of these in black. And lastly, one more curve inside each eye. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move up and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve down. And the same thing on the right side. Now in the gap in the center, let's bring it up to a point. Now let's hop back down and let's draw a curve down on both sides for the tops of the arms. Next, before continuing the arms, let's draw a spike on the shoulders. Let's draw a curve up and back down on the left, and the same thing on the right. Next, let's hop back down and finish drawing the arms. On the inside here, let's draw a small curve on both sides. Now from the ends, let's curve it down. And then a longer curve down and in on the outside. Next, let's draw the hands. For the inside line, let's draw a curve down, like this. And then a C-shaped curve to close it off. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's move back in and draw the body. Let's start underneath the armpit line and let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then in between, let's draw a curve in the middle here. Now before adding the legs, let's draw the mouth on the stomach. Let's start with a sideways oval. And now let's add the teeth inside. Let's draw a pointed row at the top. And then the bottom row in the same way, but with smaller teeth. And then let's color the inside black. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. On the left, let's draw 2 angles down like this. And the same thing on the right side. Next, let's add the feet at the bottom. From the inside line, let's draw a curve down and curve it out like this. Next, let's add the toes. Let's start with a curved triangle shape. And then 2 more in the same way on each foot. And lastly, a diagonal line to close off the top of the feet. And that's it for Sharky Clee. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!